Hey there YouTube, how's it going? Anyway, about, I think, a week ago, or maybe it was 2 weeks ago, I can't really remember, my dog had puppies, and this is one of them. Puppy, puppy, puppy. It's huge, too. It's like a bear. It's like a little bear cub, but it's a puppy. Anyway, I'm going to put him back now. I just wanted to show you guys the little puppy. And yeah, alright. Okay. I got you. Okay, oh, and I'd like to give a shout out to my friend from RuneScape. I'm probably not going to pronounce this right, but Kyle Fur or something like that. I'll put his name like on the side and stuff. Puppy, puppy. Okie dokies. Anyway, I gotta go put this little guy back. Oh, so cute. So cute. Okay. Catch you guys later.